Alright guys, since you asked for it, first of all let's get rid of the boring stuff first. Now this I 3D printed. That. Now let's get onto more interesting stuff. Oh you've all ran into these Ali songs, whatever you want to call it. What do you call it? Butterfly knives. I don't know. Alright. This one, you know that Assassin's Creed film? Yeah, I had a sibling that wanted a replica of it, and I tried to make it. Well, kind of failed. This is from one of my videos. A knife blade made completely out of glue. So it's pretty interesting, I guess. Got a bunch of bubbles in there. That's how you know I didn't shake it properly. Another one. This is a trainer. Let's see what skills I have. Right, let's bring this back. I suck at this. Now next we have this, which is actually insert of a pen. So yeah. Alright, now moving on to slightly more interesting stuff. Replicas, miniature replicas, because that's all I literally have. So we have this Glock 17, I'm pretty sure, and yeah, it kind of works. Why there's a rubber band on here? Because the locking mechanism can't be printed since it's so small. Compared to the other one that I showed in the previous video, yeah, much smaller. It's actually surprising because it kind of works. Like, let me see. Yeah, kind of works. It's not bad. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. Next up, we have this, which is, you can see the barrel just snapped off. So it's one of those things that I left for too long. You got safety here. Oh. That. Yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. You can hang it up on the wall, I don't know, something like that. Pretty cool. Next we have a flare gun, which is basically broken. Doesn't fire, so it's also a replica. And yeah. Now moving on to stuff I should have shown from my previous video, which was holsters that come with one of the guns, which was the Colt 1911, because it looks cool and I conveniently had files for it. Now as you can see, holsters, yeah, broken still, but yeah, it's a holster. Next up we have one of my old prototypes when I made as a kind of a kid. Now back then I used to play with pens like it was disassembling a gun. I'm pretty sure you've all been there, for you gun nuts out there. So I 3D printed this and designed it for my own entertainment. This is my newest prototype, which kind of doesn't work. Thinner and much better. Ah, god damn it, but jams. There we go. Yeah, pretty cool. Now this one is my first prototype. There's a lock button which doesn't work, and this, what do you call it, extractor is broken beyond repair. It's just hanging on by a few filament lines, whatnot. Yeah, it shouldn't be lifting up that easily. Anywho, this is my first prototype. I brought it to school and my teacher was just staring at me, because it wasn't a gun, that's for sure, but it definitely wasn't like acceptable of a pen, I guess, because fidget toys are pretty much illegal, but it was a pen, so he was just confused. Anywho, Now this came with a clip which I made also conveniently. It can't load more than, I don't know, one, because it's a pen and doesn't have a mag. I had a mag variant but cancelled it because it was too difficult. Yeah, kind of works. Pretty nice, I guess. God damn it. And yeah, pretty cool. You can actually write with it, because I don't know if you know, but a pen, yeah, you can write with it. Next up, we have one of my failed-ish projects, which can't work now, but was very cool when it did. It's a pack 40. It's a mini pack 40. Now what it fed was these rounds which I all lost, that can fire when released from this trigger right here. And I have a video on it. Alright, new round. Alright guys, so what I just showed you was probably pretty lame because I have nothing better to show. So hopefully you stick around for my projects. My next project's gonna be a blowback shell ejecting M4A1, which is under development. Yeah, like right now. So hopefully you stick around for that. I have a few extra projects. I got a sponsor, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna make that ERA but metal this time. And I'm also going to make a big ass one-on-one replica cannon that actually functions. So yeah, might stick around for those if you have enough time.